Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to Thirukkural, Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. In this chapter, Thiruvalluvar highlights the importance of rain for agriculture and food production. Let's explore Song 4. If the monsoons fail, farmers won't till their lands to produce food. In this verse, Thiruvalluvar reminds us that rainfall is essential for farming, and the success of the agricultural sector depends heavily on it. Without adequate rain, farmers cannot cultivate crops, leading to widespread food shortages and economic distress. The verse underscores the importance of timely and sufficient rainfall, highlighting the dependence of human society on the vagaries of nature. It also emphasizes the critical role played by farmers in ensuring food security and the need for greater support and recognition for their efforts. Thiruvalluvar's words carry a message of hope, reminding us of rain's transformative power and the human spirit's resilience. After a spell of dry weather, rain brings new life to the fields, revitalizing the earth and renewing our hope for a better tomorrow. Narrator, thank you for watching this episode of Thirukkural. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we explore the next song in Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.